Hey everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can permanently delete or deactivate your Twitter account. So just go to Twitter, click on your profile, now scroll down and click on setting and sport, click on setting and privacy. Now click on your account and deactivate your account. Okay, you can now deactivate your account by clicking on this icon. But if you read over here, it says you can restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. So now just click on this icon and your account will be deactivated after it verifies your password. So that was all for today. I hope you liked the video. See you in next video.